Okay, good morning. Day 3 of my Great Ocean Road walk. I'm just leaving Aire River Walkers Camp now. It was the place was surprisingly empty. I don't know where all those kids went that I saw walking down to the beach. Maybe they were at there's an east campsite. Maybe they're over at the east campsite, the car-based one. There was maybe one four-wheel drive down the car-base, one on the west side, and me on my own in the Walkers Camp. Comfortable night. As you can see, the cloud came over, so it kept things pretty warm. So yeah, definitely not struggling with the cold on this one. So the plan now is to head to Johanna today, Johanna Beach, or Johanna Camp. Apparently the track gets a little harder from here on, so up until here I've been doubling up the sections. So I had lunch at Elliott Ridge and I had lunch at Cape Otway yesterday, but skipped the camps, like didn't stay at the camps. So, but now from now on, I'm going to be doing each camp. So yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm hoping this cloud clears at some stage, because it definitely looks nicer if there's a blue sky. But anyway, not much I can do about it. All right, I'll get up this hill and hopefully break out on the cliffs up here somewhere, and we'll get something to look at, eh? All right, take it easy. Okay, I've been walking for 10 minutes uphill. I'm getting close to the coast. I'm kind of tracking along beside the Aire River up on a ridge. This is my favourite thing. I'm not going around the sides. I'm not going over the top. And so I've got to shimmy through that little gap there with my pack. I'm not built for this. Anyway, I'll get on with it. No use whinging. All right, happy days. I'm through that one. It's all looking good in front. Well, that's my first look at the ocean today. I've been in a bit of a tea tree tunnel so far. It's a little bit grey today. No rain yet, but it looks a possibility. I'm about ready for breakfast. If I find a seat somewhere. Gee, the wind's cold. So I've been up on the cliffs for a while. I think I'm dropping below them now. So I'm heading towards Castle Cove, or Castle Cove, depending what school you went to. Pretty well down at sea level now. So these are the cliffs I've been walking on the top of. Right, found my breakfast spot. What a view. So that is Castle Cove down there, Castle Cove. I'm heading around there after brekkie. Alright, I'm heading up to the Castle Cove Lookout now. It's where the Great Ocean Road touches the coast again along here. Getting a few sprinkles of rain every now and then, but nothing that would make me want to pull on a waterproof yet. So fingers crossed there it holds off. So this is the Castle Cove Lookout. I had brekkie down over there. So for anyone wanting to do a food drop, this is the spot where the Great Ocean Road actually touches the track. So I'm making my way around towards Johanna Beach now. I'm going to head inland soon, I think. So I'll make the most of this. So that valley on the left, that's Aire River flowing through there. That's my last look at that, I think. So, back home in Vic, they seem to be a little bit more serious about preventing dieback here than I found over in WA. Most of the stations here, the brushes work. And they've got detergent in them too. So yeah, a lot of grass trees. I've just passed through actually, but I think there's more coming. So I think they're trying to protect them. Okay, I'm into that grass tree forest. I'm following some boardwalks through here. I reckon that's to keep your feet off the ground. So the dieback spreads into the roots of these grass trees and kills them. It's another introduced disease, but the grass trees are particularly susceptible to it. It goes on for a while, this boardwalk. Alright, just dropping down to Johanna Beach. I think I might do this one in bare feet. Got to cross Johanna River anyway, and that'll be boots off, I reckon. So I'll see how I feel when I actually hit the beach. But I'm leaning in that direction at the moment, a bit of beach combing. So I can see the Walkers Camp, I think. It's, bear with me here, if I can find it. It's on that hill there, I reckon. You can see a little opening. I don't think there'll be much commentary on the beach, which could be a good thing. Johanna River. It's pretty mellow today. I've got my shoes off. I could probably almost rock hop across down there. Okay, that's the beach finished and the river crossed. I'll pull on some shoes. Okay, I got some rural land off to my right. I'm climbing away from the Johanna Beach Camp, drive-in camp, up to the walk-in camp. It's a fair distance away from the driving camp, this one. The sun's made its appearance. It's about, I don't know, 2:30 in the afternoon, I guess. So I'll be at camp in another 5 minutes, I guess. It's going to be a relaxing afternoon. It's a pretty good view from what I've seen in photos from this place, so we'll check it out when we get there, eh? So I'm almost at camp. There's a little echidna down here under the, burying himself into the ground. Okay, I'm at Johanna campsite. That's the dunny back down there I was looking at. There's some camps that are sheltered. This looks like the shelter up here. There's a tank at the toilet and 2 tanks there, so it should be right for water. Good news is there's a toilet up here. I don't have to walk 400 metres downhill. Some camps here. It's a question of will I or won't I with the weather. I reckon I might risk it. It's not meant to be super windy. Okay, it's about 2:45. I'm set up with a bit of a view. It's going to be a relaxing afternoon. Time to eat, I reckon. Okay, I'm up at Johanna campsite. Today was a pretty easy day, 14 k's, about 350 metres climbing. I believe it gets a little bit harder the next few days, so we'll see how that goes. It looks like there's a little bit of rain around tonight or tomorrow morning, so we'll see if that comes true. They said the same this morning, but it wasn't too bad, had a few drops. All right, all good. It's about 7-ish, and I'm thinking about jumping into bed. There's just a bit of light drizzle coming through now. So yeah, be a long night in the duplex again, I reckon. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for another day on the Great Ocean Walk. So tomorrow, the plan tomorrow is to walk from this Johanna camp to Ryan's Den, I think it is. Camp, and it's about the same distance as today, about another 14 k's, I think. All right, take it easy, see you in the morning.